Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's going to spice things up in the bedroom. 10 basic sex positions you must do with your partner. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to add some new moves to your repertoire, I've got you covered. These positions are simple, yet incredibly satisfying. So grab your partner, get comfortable, and let's talk about ways to turn up the heat in your love life. Before we get into the positions, remember that great sex isn't just about technique. It's about communication, trust, and knowing what makes both you and your partner feel good. So, as we go through this list, keep in mind that trying new things should always be a fun, mutual experience. Position number 1, missionary. This one's a classic for a reason. The missionary position is simple, intimate, and perfect for establishing a deep connection with your partner. You lie on your back while your partner lies on top, facing you. Eye contact, body warmth, and a close embrace make this position ideal for couples who want to feel emotionally and physically close. It's also great for beginners because of its comfort and control. And for those of you who think missionary is boring, think again. You can mix it up by changing the angle. Place a pillow under your hips for deeper penetration, or wrap your legs around your partner for extra intimacy. You'd be surprised how something so simple can feel so intense. Position number 2, doggy style. Now, let's take things up a notch with doggy style. This is a position that allows for deeper penetration and is perfect if you or your partner want to feel a little more primal. You get on all fours while your partner enters from behind. This position is not only physically stimulating, but also gives you both a little more freedom for movement. Plus, if you're into spanking or a little light domination, this is the perfect position to explore that dynamic. Don't forget, communication is key here. Doggy style can be intense, so make sure both of you are comfortable with the pace and depth. Position number 3, cowgirl. Time to flip the roles. Cowgirl is when you take control. Your partner lies on their back while you straddle them. The beauty of this position is that it gives you the power to control the depth, speed, and angle, making it perfect for customizing your pleasure. Whether you want to move slow and sensual or fast and wild, the choice is yours. And remember, confidence is key. Own it, and don't be afraid to switch up the rhythm. Slow it down, grind your hips, or lean forward for a more intimate experience. Position number 4, reverse cowgirl. Feeling a little adventurous? Then reverse cowgirl might be your new favorite. This is similar to the cowgirl position, but with one twist. You face away from your partner. This angle offers a whole new world of sensations and allows for a bit more visual excitement. Not only does this give your partner an incredible view, but it also gives you control over the movement, just like in regular cowgirl. So, experiment with different speeds and find what feels best for both of you. Position number 5, spoon. Now, if you're in the mood for something a little more relaxed and intimate, the spooning position is the way to go. You and your partner lie on your sides, facing the same direction, with your partner behind you. This is perfect for slow, sensual lovemaking and allows for lots of skin-to-skin contact. The spooning position is great for mornings, late nights, or any time you just want to take things slow. Plus, you can keep whispering sweet nothings to each other the entire time. Position number 6, standing up. Ready for a challenge? Standing sex can be exhilarating, especially when you want something spontaneous. It's as simple as it sounds. You stand facing each other, or your partner can lift you for extra support. It's great for quick, passionate encounters. Keep in mind that this position requires a little more strength and balance, so take your time finding the right rhythm. Lean against a wall for extra stability. Position number 7, the lap dance. Here's one for all of you who want to bring a little tease into the bedroom. The lap dance position is playful and super intimate. Your partner sits on a chair or the edge of the bed while you straddle them. The best part? You can control the pace, making it as slow or as fast as you like. This is a great position for eye contact and teasing. Plus, it's easy to transition into something more intense once things heat up. Position number 8, the lotus. The lotus is one of the most intimate and romantic positions out there. You sit on your partner's lap, facing them, while wrapping your legs around their waist. This position allows for deep penetration and lots of kissing, hugging, and full body contact. It's a great choice when you want to feel emotionally connected to your partner. The closeness really adds to the experience. Position number 9, the bridge. If you want to try something more physical, give the bridge a shot. Your partner lies on their back and lifts their hips into a bridge position while you straddle them. This one adds a bit of a workout into the mix, but it's totally worth it for the different angles and sensations it provides. This position lets you both work together, creating a sense of shared effort and excitement. Position number 10, scissors. Last but not least, the scissors. This position is all about angles and closeness. You lie on your back, your legs crossed with your partner's in a way that allows for deep penetration and a lot of intimacy. It might take a bit of practice to get the positioning just right, but once you do, it's definitely a winner. The closeness and eye contact make this a fantastic way to end an intimate session. So there you have it, 10 basic sex positions that you and your partner can try out tonight. Remember, the best part of exploring these positions is the fun and connection they bring to your relationship. Don't be afraid to experiment, communicate, and most importantly, enjoy yourselves. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which position you're excited to try first. Until next time, stay passionate